Okay guys, so welcome back to another lesson of today guys. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways you can strum a reggae song to sound better and sounds cool. Okay, many of you have been giving up the complaint and many of you have giving up the request as you make a video on how you can strum a reggae song. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can strum your reggae song when you come across a reggae song, okay, that are going to sound better and sounds cool. All right, without wasting much of time, let's move straight into the video. Before then, we know that you're first time watching my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? All right, if you want a one-on-one class with me, do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Please, it's not a free class, it's a payable class, okay? All right, let's move straight into the video. Okay, so the number 1 way you can strum your guitar, strum your reggae song, okay, it's like this. Okay, so this one is you play with the mute. While you strum the chord, you unmute it. Okay. So when you press this chord, okay, I'm actually playing the key of B. For many of you are not familiar with the key of B, this is the key of B. This is the root. So you have your key of B here on this shape like this. Okay, so when you play, you unmute the notes, then kick it from under, okay, pick it from under now. That's gonna make it mute, okay? That's gonna make it sounds mute, okay? Okay, so when you are unmuting, make sure your fingers are still at the right notes, okay? Okay, so that is the number 1. The number 2 where you can play from down, something like this. Okay, so now this time around, you pick from the root notes, which is the do. So you just pick the root, okay? Okay, stuff like that. So when you play, you unmute it, but you're not gonna play, you're not gonna strum it again. When you just strum once like this, you unmute it so that the notes can, okay, so that the note you just play, the chord can resolve very well, okay? Okay, you don't press it like this. When you kick the notes, when you strum the note, you unmute it. Okay, that's the number 2 way you can strum your reggae song. So the number 3 ways you can strum your reggae song is like this. You can play what we call the source chord, the source progressions. Okay, so like I played earlier, I came to this other shape. Many of you might have been hearing a lot of guitarists, or you've been hearing some loops like that over a reggae song. So as a guitarist, you can also learn stuff like this to play over a reggae song, okay? Just a start chord. So this is your do, so, do, mi, do, so, do, mi, in the key of B. So this is your major chord, that's a do chord in the key of B. Okay, so you can make it a source chord by removing the mi there and make the re pronounced. So you're gonna place your fingers like this. Okay, you're gonna place your fingers like that. That gives you a B sus2 chord. So what you're gonna do is you just strum the root a little, just hit on the root a little. While you pick the 5th and the 2nd, which is re, a sorry. Okay. So now you go to your 4 chord, which is a va. So instead of me playing like this, which the E major chord gonna be the va, I just substitute by playing a B sus 4 chord. Okay, just a B sus 2. Take your ring finger to the do, your pinky to the va. Yeah. Okay, second string, that gives you a B sus 4. That's, you can substitute that to a va chord. Now go to the sol chord now. Okay, you can hold like this. The sol chord gonna be a F sharp major chord, major bar chord. Okay, that is it. That is the most efficiently 3 ways you can strum a reggae song as a guitarist. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. And if you want me to make any video of your challenge, do it to hit on the comment section as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.